wonderful artists. Today we are making some paper beads. So here's an example of some that are finished. I have some plain paper ones and some magazine paper ones. They look really cool. So to make these beads today, we are going to need some paper, some scissors, some glue or Mod Podge, a glue brush, and I'm also going to need a straw. So to get this started, we're going to need to cut our paper to the right size. So to cut your paper, we want to make diagonal lines. We essentially want to make triangles. So from the corner here, I'm going to draw a line to make a triangle. I'm going to cut that off. There we go. So all of our paper strips that we're going to start with should have a wide end and a point on the other side. So a triangle. To start, I'm going to wrap the large part around the bottom first. So see if I'm pinching it and holding it with my thumb, and I'm going to wrap this tail around it. So I'm just wrapping that paper around the straw as tightly as I can. Till I get to the end here. Once I've wrapped it all the way around my straw, I'm going to let that tail stick up a little bit. Pull it tight. When I pull on this tail, it kind of tightens it up a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to add some glue to the tail. There we go. Oops. I'm going to wrap it again. Now I'm spinning. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm spinning this, and this tail is coming in as I spin. There we go. The straw is really great because it acts as like your, I don't know, your structure to hold your bead on there. Remember that glue dries clear, so it's okay if you get some squished out. I'm going to glue a little bit more around the sides here, just because I don't want it to fall apart. And the glue will leave a nice shiny finish when I'm done. Ta-da! And now, I've got this bead on my straw. I can just gently pull it off my straw, and there I have a bead. Ta-da! Alright, so that's one. You might get another one, another piece of paper that's pre-cut for you, that's a magazine, and you can decide what side is going to be facing out. Which side do I like the best? I think I like this side with the flowers on it. So again, I'm going to start with that thicker side on the straw, pinching it with my thumb. I'm going to wrap this around as best as I can. This part's the trickiest, to just get it wrapped. There we go. Alright, once I've got that, I'm going to keep going. Oops, I'm a little crooked. It's okay if you have a little angle to it. You can always wiggle it around and slide it this way and that, and as you're wrapping, and that'll help. Oops, oh man, that'll help center it. There we go. So if you let go, your bead might unravel a little bit, and that's okay. Sometimes that happens. If you're not happy with it, just unwrap it and start again. Alright, so now I need to glue it. Right down there. And you might want to hold it for a few seconds. Ta-da! Alright, now I have another bead. So these beads are really fun and easy to make. I will make sure you have a nice safe place to put them, so I'll give you a Ziploc bag. Once you have your Ziploc bag, write your name on it. And at the end of the class, you can take all your beads and put them in there. It's okay if they're a little sticky from the glue. Ta-da! Alright, so they'll be in there, so then when we want to string them on our string or our yarn, they'll be ready to go. Alright guys, I'm really excited to make these beads. Let's get going.